Hello you lovely people, I'm Camping Dan. I want to thank you for clicking on my new video. So today I'm in the iron ore rich hills of Eston Hills. This iron ore was mined here and basically helped build the world. I'm out for a hammock camp tonight, but I'm not out alone. So I'm out with Bushman Smithy tonight, and I'm meeting him at the SS Castle. So yeah, I'm just having a slow walk there. I think he's already there, so I'll meet him there and I'll bring you back when I get there. So the path is very much so waterlogged, but that'll be from all the rain we've been having in the last couple of weeks. We've had a couple of storms, so I've just gone off the path to miss that big puddle. But yeah, I'll bring you back when we get to the SS Castle. So this tunnel leads to the SS Castle. Back in that direction is one of the mine entrances, and there used to be a big pulley that used to pull carts along this track on a rope. But we're closing in on the SS Castle. Just see it through the trees. I don't think you can see it on this camera, but yeah, it's just round this corner. Just see it through the trees. There he is, the man, the legend. Sweet mate, you. tea, garlic bread, garlic bread, garlic bread. Summer fruit bread. It's the future. I've tasted it.
Yeah.
Bit of a widow maker. Yeah, I'm just on a scout for a bit of firewood. For something big. At that. So, I'd love to know a bit more about foraging, stuff like that. Mushrooms. Wouldn't know if that was edible or not, so I wouldn't risk it. But I would have a chocolate biscuit. Right, that's it, we're all set up at camp. Just going to get the fire going, cook up some food. Tonight we've got hot dogs, and instead of having it in a bun, I have it in a garlic baguette, garlic bread baguette. So I'll have it with cheese, red onion, barbecue sauce. Beautiful. Right, bring you back shortly. So, just preparing a campfire crumble. We've got apple and summer fruits crumble tonight. I'm trying to see what's the blackberries, black currants, red cherries, raspberries. So we've got apples in there already. So we're just going to put the crumble top on, cinnamon, brown sugar. Lovely jubbly. There's a couple of crumbles and they're in the jungle.
Aye, aye.
The man, the legend, Bushman Smithy, sorting out the fire.
Yeah, it's been quite a tough one, hasn't it, this time?
Everything's just saturated, isn't it?
Yeah, it took quite a bit to get going. These logs are all soaking as well. But we'll manage. I'll get some more and cut in a bit.
The plan is, I think we're going to have some food, wait for it to get dark, and then I think we're going to have a mooch over, see the fireworks over Teesside. That's the plan. And as Hannibal said, I love it when a plan comes together.
Oh, you getting your hot dogs on, are you? Yeah, I'll stop feeding it now. I'll just let that burn down.
If that'll work.
I'm sure it will.
Go on there. That's my new bit of kit. Timu. £6 86 or something daft like that. Cooking tripod. So we'll cook some hot dogs. The rain's upon us. Mate, if you need to chuck out under there, just chuck it under.
Yeah, no, honestly I've got loads of room in there.
A couple of garlic breads on the go. Hot dogs are in there. So plan is I'll cut one of them garlic breads up, fill it with my hot dogs, and I've got some cheese and barbecue sauce. So for my tea tonight I've got hot dogs in a garlic baguette, red onion, barbecue sauce, red Leicester and a mild cheddar.
Shiny looking, mate. Oh.
That is bloody delicious.
Oh, look, see what's that on top? Onions?
Red onions.
Oh.
Got half an onion there if you want it. You know. And summer fruit and apple crumble. I'm not one to blow my own trumpet. Mr. Kipling makes exceedingly good cakes, but I make cracking crumbles. And I'm quite humble about my crumble in the jungle.
I can agree with that, mate.
But Mr. Kipling, if you do want to sponsor me, just message me. Remember, Mr. Kipling. This is what camping in the woods is all about.
Yeah.
Campfire, great food, awesome company.
Thank you. I didn't realise you pointed that at me there.
And we've got custard as well.
Custard as well.
Summer fruit and apple crumble.
Yes.
We're going to tuck into these. Get a bit of crumble gone so we can make room for some custard.
Yeah, you need a bit of custard in there. You can't just pour it.
9, bedtime. We have eaten well tonight. We've had garlic bread, crumble, which topped the night off, filled me up. I was ready for bed hours ago after my crumble. Yeah, we've had quite a bit of rain, but it's been a cracker night. Had a good laugh around the campfire. So yeah, shall catch you in the morning. Good night, God bless. It is just after 9 o'clock. We've had a cup of tea, and it's time to pack up. Oh yeah, fire's just over there. Bag of rubbish is over there, but I'll bring you back when we finish packing up. I was between them two trees. Bag of rubbish is there. Bushman Smithy's just finished packing up his tent. So we'll be taking our rubbish, so remember, leave no trace. So again, thank you very much for watching. It's a goodbye from me.
Bye!
And it's a goodbye from Smithy. Look after yourself and peace.